Okay, this is my accounts like I was showing you earlier. Okay, so this is my accounts for plug and paid. Now, it actually comes with what we call plug. Plug, it's the product we create. So whenever we create a product, we call it a plug. So normally when you want to create a product, you come into plug. And currently I have one physical product. So there are different types of products you can create. You can sell digital product, you can sell a service, you can run a subscription. Of course, with that, you need a Stripe account, and you can also offer coupon. Coupons, it's where you offer a special like a discount. And of course, you can also collect donation as well. So when I click on active, it actually shows the plugs that are active. We call them product. For this case, I'm creating a product. Now, if you come on this icon here, you can archive your product, you can duplicate it, you can edit the settings, and you can view the information about your plug. So you can create more plugs, as many as you like, unlimitedly, like add a product. And when you add a product, and you can create a plug. So for example, when I come to product, first I create a physical product there, which you can see on the screen there, and that is the price, and that was the date it was created, and there are no sales currently. I can put whether it's in stock or out of stock. Now, when I come to when you finish creating your product, the next step is to create a plug. So a plug is like a page, like a checkout page that people will see when they want to check out or buy your product. Now, in the case of this software, I'm actually using a bank account which will automatically send a message to the person, notifying the person that the person needs to check out. So if I go to view information, it shows me a few informations like it's a dynamic language, 13 views, how many people have abandoned the cart, and conversion rates, who can check out from this. I said worldwide. So it gives me a little basic informations of how the sales and the informations. Now currently the gateway I'm using is my bank account. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on either copy the link, or I'm going to click on this arrow button here, which takes me to the page that the end user will always see when they click on the link. Now, this is a product I'm selling. You can see there I can add as many that I want to buy. Like for example, it's 1,200. I can add as many I want to buy. So let me say I want to buy 5. Then I'm going to come in here. I'm going to put in my name. So I'm going to use an example for now. Okay, I'm just going to use my email account. I'm going to select the country. Now, on the drop-down list, I actually selected Namibia as the default, or rather, Namibia, the only country I want to be able to ship this product to. So some product may be worldwide, while some of them may only be restricted to my locality. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to select Namibia. I'm going to click on Next. Now, if you notice my option here, my payment option here, it says bank, because I want the person to be able to pay me offline since I'm not supporting any online payment for now. So I'm going to click on next. Now you notice I selected 5 items, and my shipping option there says shipping DHL Express, because I'm not charging anything for shipping except I want to put a cost to that. So currently, I've put DHL Express 0, and I've put another one 2,500. So when the users select that option, it will automatically select that option. Now, if I come in here, I put it on 0, which means it will be free for the person. So depending on what the person wants to select. So yeah, I'm going to fill in my details. So I'm going to put James Money. I'm going to put my phone number. Just put something else. I'm going to type in my address, and I'm going to put my city, which is Windhoek. I'm going to put my zip code. And if this shipping address is different from my billing address, then I can come here and I can select a different billing address. So this is shipping, and if my shipping is different from my billing, then I can change that. So I'm just going to click next. And if you notice, the information have been collected, and I'm going to click purchase. Now, if you notice, it says secure shopping, And you can notice the website is secured, and you can see the name of the store is also here as well, which of course encourages the person to know that they're actually purchasing from the right person. So I'm going to click purchase, and you notice what's going to happen. It says, thank you for your purchase. Your product is on their way. Check your email for update. Now remember, I've not made payments. I did select to pay through the bank. So I'm going to go through my email right now and see what the confirmation looks like. Okay, so that's my business account where my plug and play is connected to. So I received an order. It says a new sales order for this business travel bag review. So I'm going to approve this order. If you notice the review here, it says by clicking the order management button below, the invoice is issued only if it is approved. So I want to approve the order so that an invoice will be issued to the client. So I'm going to do that by clicking here, and the order will be approved. So that's the confirmation message saying that manage your order. The order has been approved successfully. Now, once the order was approved based on the email, remember when the first email the client received was your order is pending review, and once the order was approved, the client automatically received a confirmation. Your purchase has been confirmed, and this is the amount, and this is the total amount. Now, the nice thing about plug and paid, it also attach invoice as well. You can see there's an invoice here that the client can open on their email, and they receive this attachment. Really beautiful. So they have their names, they have the name of the store and the type of business and the bank transfer. So they just need to take this information and do a wire transfer. And of course, the shipping address will be sent through this method. So that is exactly how it works. For the status currently is unpaid. So once the person has made a transfer and of course put in their reference number, they will automatically receive paid invoice as well. So that is what Plug and Play it's all about. It's a good software, and I know anyone that wants to go for it will actually like using this product. So just like I demonstrated the product earlier on, Plug and Play, it's really a great tool. And you can see, I can see pending orders. Okay, pending orders are not here. You can see, I can see that the order has been approved. This is my interface now. The order was approved and the customer is there, and the amount we're expecting is this. And of course, we can mark as paid, we can add tracking, we can also view the page as well. So we can create as many different types of products. We can create products for digital items, service items, coupons, and physical products. So where does Showbie come into the picture here? How can I take advantage of Showbie and use Instagram to be able to promote this service? That's the next video I'm going to create now. So before I go into the next video, remember, if you want to go for Plug and Play, it expires in the next 2 days. You can see that the Cyber Monday deal, it's already expiring already by tomorrow. That's midnight. And of course, we should be our morning time in Africa. So if you think this is something you want to use, let me know. And of course, you can send me a pin, you can call me, you can send me a message so that you can grab these two and start using it to sell your products even when you don't have a store. So that's one of the good things, that you can share the link and people can make purchases, so you can actually issue people invoices and all of that even before you actually have your own websites and other platforms as you look forward to the future. So thank you very much, and let me know as soon as you want to get this software. So now let's look at Showbie and how we can integrate Showbie with Plug and Play.